The Furman Jeep in Lutz presents another askforSpeed tutorial. This is the 2020 for Jeep Wrangler Unlimited for by askforSpeed. And this is Jason Speed. He's going to show you how to take the 3-piece hardtop off. Start with the clips and latches on the inside of the front to panels. There are 2 clips to pull down and 6 latches to turn to release.
Gotta reach for that last one.
And now the front to panels can come off individually. Simply lift up and off. Please note the front to pieces are sequential, so the driver's side has to come off first and gets put back on last. And now the passenger side panel. Every hardtop Wrangler comes with a clever and convenient way to store the front to panels. The storage bag houses both the front panels and they fit in such a way that not only doesn't take up too much cargo room, but also protects them from being damaged. As always, if you're like most hardtop owners, you're done. But if you want to go completely topless, there's a bit more work to do. At this point, you'll need some tools. Good thing every Jeep Wrangler comes with a toolkit. This kit has all you'll need for taking the top off, taking the doors off, or even folding the windshield down to the hood. A nice little hack is having a cordless screwdriver and using the fittings versus by hand with the ratchet. Now we're going to head back up front and locate the 2 bolts we'll need to remove. There is one on each side in line with the roll bars. There is a designated place for all the bolts in the back, so you don't lose any of them. We'll call it bolt drop. There are 6 more bolts to remove, 3 on each side inside the rear of the hardtop. Bolt drop. Bolt drop. Bolt drop. Bolt drop. Bolt drop. Bolt drop. The last thing to disconnect before you take the top off is the plumbing and power to the rear window wiper for the washer fluid hose. Simply find and press the release button to disconnect. Now locate the red release button on the power connector. You'll need to pull that down first, then press in to release the connector. Now the third and largest piece of the hardtop is ready to be removed. It is recommended that you have someone to help you lift it. This piece of the top can weigh around 140 pounds, and all the weight is in the back. You don't want to drop this top and break one of the 3 glass windows. Very carefully lift the top up then back, making sure to work around the spare tire. Big shout out to Vaughn for helping me lift the top off of the Jeep. #AskForVaughn. We thought the top would fit in the back of this 2023 Ram 1500 Bighorn, but we were quickly corrected and decided just to very carefully place it on the ground. Success! Cool handshake time! Congratulations, you're now topless! For more information on available inventory, or to set up a test drive, call Speed on his cell. There you have it. A complete and detailed guide to enjoying the open air in your brand new Jeep Wrangler. Thank you so much for watching. Hey, really quick before you go. Speed wanted to ask for your help in growing this channel. Please like this video, subscribe to the channel for more how-to videos, and comment what you liked about the video or what year and model Jeep Wrangler you have.